Compact, sleek, and ready for takeoff, DJI is once again setting the stage for the next generation of intelligent flight. The company's upcoming DJI Neo2 has become one of the most talked about drones in recent leaks, and it's easy to see why. DJI seems to be refining its formula for compact yet powerful aerial filmmaking, blending the portability of a travel drone with the creative muscle of professional gear. With a sharper design, smarter AI-assisted flight, and a seriously upgraded camera system, the Neo2 is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range drone category. And it's not just about specs. DJI is building something that feels smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. I'm Barry Alex, and you're watching Technify, your ultimate destination for the latest tech, drone innovations, and deep dive reviews. So buckle up, because this one's going to fly high. The DJI Neo2 represents a bold leap in DJI's mid-range drone lineup. Compact, stable, and clearly designed with creators in mind. It continues the brand's focus on blending portability with professional-grade performance, and from what we've seen so far, it does just that. The highlight of the Neo2 is without question its camera. DJI has reportedly integrated a brand new 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 13.5 stops of dynamic range. That means brighter highlights, deeper shadows, and an overall image that looks stunningly cinematic. Whether you're flying over scenic landscapes or capturing fast-moving subjects, the Neo2's visuals promise to impress. You'll be able to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second, complete with true HDR, 10-bit color, and support for D-Log-M profiles, the same level of control used by professionals in post-production. Combine that with rock-steady stabilization and horizon balancing, and every frame looks buttery smooth and perfectly leveled. DJI's AI capabilities are also getting a significant upgrade here, with rumors pointing to Active Track 6.0 or a next-generation subject tracking system. That means the drone can automatically recognize and follow people, vehicles, or pets with astonishing accuracy. Ideal for vloggers, filmmakers, and solo creators who want dynamic shots without the hassle of manual controls. Performance-wise, DJI seems to have optimized the Neo2's battery efficiency and flight algorithms. Expected flight times are reportedly between 20 and 25 minutes, a noticeable bump from the original Neo's 18-minute runtime. Even more impressive, this is achieved without exceeding the sub-250G weight limit, which means you'll still enjoy portability and fewer regulatory restrictions in most regions. Smarter flight modes, improved obstacle avoidance, and possibly a refined O4 transmission system or enhanced Wi-Fi link are all expected to make the Neo2 not only powerful but incredibly user-friendly. Compared to the rumored DJI Flip, which aims for ultralight casual users, the Neo2 feels like the choice for enthusiasts who crave control and creative flexibility without stepping up to the Mavic's premium tier. It fills that perfect middle ground, capable enough for cinematic work, yet compact enough to fit in your backpack. But DJI isn't stopping there. The DJI Avata 3 has also surfaced in leaks, and it's turning heads in the FPV community. Gone are the bulky bumpers of the previous model. The new design is leaner, more aerodynamic, and cleverly rebalanced thanks to a repositioned battery. The real showstopper? A rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a massive upgrade from the Avata 2's 1/1.3-inch unit. This means clearer detail, better low-light performance, and the ability to shoot 4K at a jaw-dropping 120 frames per second. Add in the potential for up to 30 minutes of flight time, improved stabilization systems, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and the Avata 3 could redefine FPV filmmaking. If these developments hold true, DJI's 2025 to 2026 lineup might just be one of its most ambitious yet. With the Neo2 bridging casual and pro users, and the Avata 3 pushing FPV boundaries, the company seems focused on giving creators more tools, freedom, and confidence in the sky. And that wraps up our deep dive into what could be DJI's most exciting year yet. The DJI Neo2 looks set to become the ultimate compact drone for creators who demand top-tier visuals, smarter AI, and extended flight times, all without sacrificing ease of use. Meanwhile, the DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be a dream for FPV enthusiasts, combining power, control, and cinematic smoothness in a futuristic new body. Together, these drones show just how far DJI is pushing drone innovation, balancing performance and creativity like never before. If you're passionate about drones, videography, or simply love seeing technology evolve, make sure you stick around. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming deep dives and reviews. This is Technify, where innovation takes flight. And trust me, the skies ahead look incredible.